number of events throughout the UK and Ireland. A question that always comes up from our exhibitors is, how can we get an even better return from exhibiting at your events? We have taken it upon ourselves to run exhibiting masterclasses before every event we run. We're working with seasoned professionals like Stephen Murtagh, the exhibition guy, Hugh Bagnall from Total Expo. This is a fantastic opportunity to maximise our return on investment from working with us at our events. Please register your interest if you want to avail of this fantastic offer.
Manufacturing, Supply Chain, Exhibition and Conference and Irish Manufacturing Research have delighted to partner together to produce the inaugural Irish Manufacturing and Supply Chain Awards 2019. We have 14 different categories open for entry, 7 of which are focused on the team. It was really important for us to make sure that the people behind the product and the teams producing the products were recognised in this event. We have other categories specifically dedicated to the factory. We have Manufacturing Company of the Year, Small, Medium and Large, Best Use Robotics, Smart Factory and Sustainable. Head over to our website to check out full list of categories.
Today we had our exhibitor networking day where we had masterclasses from Stephen Murtagh, our exhibition guy, Tracy Carney from Premier Publishing Events and Hugh Bagnall from Total Expo Events, giving our exhibitors helpful tips and hints on how to maximise their return on their investment at the show on the 17th of January in the City West. It was a really good turnout with 65 exhibitors taking part today. The feedback from our exhibitors today was really positive. Hopefully they'll take away helpful tips and hints on how to maximise their presence at the show. We really thank them for coming out and we look forward to seeing them on the 17th of January.